Hello! If you're tired of waking up to the default alarm tone on your Honor X6e, this video will show you exactly how to change it in just a few simple steps. Whether you want a louder ringtone, a calmer melody, or your favorite song, I'll walk you through the entire process. We'll open the clock app, edit an existing alarm, or create a new one. Access the alarm sound settings and choose a different ringtone. If your phone supports it, I'll also show you how to use a custom audio file as your alarm sound. Stay until the end, because I'll also share a few useful tips to make sure your alarm is loud enough and won't let you oversleep, even if your phone is in silent mode.